Welcome to the City of Lights, where Samsung is set to illuminate the future of technology. On July 10th, in the heart of Paris, Samsung will unveil its newest innovations. Let's dive into what we can expect from this highly anticipated event. The latest preview from Samsung hints at groundbreaking advancements. We're talking about new foldable phones, wearable devices, and a revolutionary Galaxy AI.
Start now.
Explore a new genre.
Change your angle a bit.
Or flip it completely.
Ride a different wave.
Start over anywhere.
Break barriers.
Don't hesitate. Just go for it. Open that door. Unfold your story.
Packed event, aiming to outshine Apple in the AI arena. We're expecting significant design changes too, something consumers have eagerly anticipated for years. As we look forward to the event, one of the biggest highlights will be the new foldable phones. Samsung is inviting Galaxy fans to experience these unique devices that promise to redefine mobile technology. Samsung has a history of collaborating with top K-pop bands to promote its high-end phones. After BTS took a break in 2023, Samsung teamed up with TXT. Recently, a teased a surprise film from TXT to be showcased at the event. This collaboration promises to bring extra excitement to the event. Will TXT members be a part of the event on July 10th? Stay tuned to find out. This Unpacked event is expected to be one of Samsung's busiest ever. While the release date for the new devices hasn't been confirmed, pre-reservations are now open. Sign up with your name and email to get a $50 credit, which you can use to buy the new devices at a discount from Samsung's official store. Plus, you'll be entered into a sweepstakes contest for a chance to win a $5,000 credit. As always, Samsung couldn't keep its new phones a secret. Just a week before the big event, details about the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 have surfaced. Famous leakster Evan Blass shared marketing images revealing some fantastic features. The Z Fold 6 boasts an impressive screen, and the Z Flip 6 is praised for its battery life and performance. Both phones are built to be incredibly durable, with Armor aluminum frames and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the cover screens. They also have an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance, a big upgrade from the usual IPX8 rating on foldable phones. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 retains the same screen sizes as its predecessor, with a 3.4-inch cover screen and a 6.7-inch foldable screen. The cover screen has a 720 x 748 pixel resolution and runs at 60 Hz, while the foldable screen features a full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz variable refresh rate. The Z Fold 6 has two screens, a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with HD plus resolution and a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with QXGA plus resolution. Both screens have a 120 Hz variable refresh rate and can reach up to 2,600 nits in brightness, matching the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Both phones are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor and come with 12 GB of RAM. Storage options include 256 GB and 512 GB, with the Z Fold 6 possibly offering a 1 TB variant. They run on Android 14 with One UI 6.11 software, ensuring smooth and efficient performance. The Z Flip 6 is the first in its series to feature a vapor chamber system for better cooling. Both phones integrate Galaxy AI, offering features like Circle the Search Interpreter Mode and Note Summarization. Although there aren't any new Galaxy AI features as rumored, the enhanced chat assist feature optimized for the Z Flip 6 cover screen is worth noting. It makes replying to messages a breeze with context-based suggestions. So there you have it. Samsung's upcoming event is packed with exciting new gadgets and features. Don't forget to mark your calendars for July 10 and join us as we explore these groundbreaking innovations. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more updates. See you next time. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.